It's Susana Kitchen here. Today, let's make healthy salad. Cucumber, tomato, corn, avocado, spring onion, olive oil, squeeze of lemon, 1 spoon of sesame roasted, a bit sea salt, and mix. Let's try now, guys, the salad that I make. So good. Perfect. Crunchy cucumber, healthy avocado.